Welcome! Today on the 328 we're going to be installing an engine intake, and I got a great deal, or at least what I think is a great deal on this thing. They typically go for about $350. Amazon, however, had a warehouse deal on one for $176. It is a open box unit. As you can see, there's a little bit of bending to the filter here, but everything looks new other than that. So if this thing's ever been installed on anything, I can't really tell. So as far as I'm concerned, it's new, and I got it for about half off. So without further ado, let's pop it in there and get to work. Now, this isn't going to be a step-by-step video, just because I don't want the responsibility of telling you how to do something. But I'm still going to install it, and I thought I'd bring you along with me. So if you like watching people work on cars, this is the video for you. So let's get this intake in there. But first, we got to remove the factory one. All right, so let's get the factory piece out of here. Take this off, and let's see, unclip you, and we got a flat head for that. That's gonna work out a little bit better. I got a little bit of the sniffles today. Pop this off. Got all the clips, right? Ha! I'm an idiot. There we go. Let's loosen this up first. Told you it's not a step-by-step video. Airflow sensor connector off of there. And we are still stuck on something. Oh, there we go. Just got a little bit of cold rubber. There we go. So rubber stopper doesn't want to come out, but we'll get it. Whew, there we go. Now we have this. If you remember this from when I put this air filter in, a couple of videos. Actually, I think it was my last video that I did. Yeah, so served me well. Still looks fairly clean. Actually, looks really clean. So it's not bad. Let's see what's in here. Yeah. So obviously this is where it initially goes, but there's no dirt behind it, so it doesn't look like it let anything through, which is good. Filter did its job of filtering. Let me get this hose clamp off. I know I've said it before, but why are flatheads still a thing? There's that. And then I just need to unclip it from here, which I can feel it. I can feel the clip. Let me just do this. There we go. Then this little thing, piping, and I don't know if you can see in there. Oh, there we go. Those little holes in there. Yeah, a little resonator to quiet the intake down. We don't want that. We don't want a quiet intake, do we? No, we don't. So next up, we just start putting the new intake in. Starting off with this. Let's see. Sure. How far are we going in? Is that good? Yeah. Okay. That's. Straighten this up. There we go. It's about as far as it's going to go. Make sure that is good and tight. And it is. Sweet. So I'll pop this here. Grab my. That stuff may have fallen. That's okay. There we go. Good. So that's in there. And for these, I refuse to use a flathead. This is what we want. There. That's going to be perfect. Take this. There we go. That is looking good. There's this. There we go. Alright, well, let's do it this way then. Oh, I'm getting in there. There we go. And there's that. Which will now go on this. Yeah, that should be fine. It's going to be a little bit of a tight squeeze though, but that's okay. And in fact, to make this even easier, a little more room here, of course. A little bit more room. Yeah, I'm not gonna get another glove, not just yet. This is the now top one. Right. Let's plug in the mass airflow sensor. As pretty as that looks, is to put the cover on. There it is, all installed. So only thing left to do now is fire it up. Make sure I got my tools. Yep, we are free of tools. Let's fire this up. And hopefully there's no leaks. Hopefully there's no issues.